Yo, what's up with it? This is Turbo Ant, and we're here getting ready for the Elephant Charge 2023. Here's our car behind. I'm gonna be driving this bad boy to the site. So yeah, can't wait to get into it. Can't wait to get there.
Shiny, plastic, black mirror fascist.
Here we are. Finally made it. This is all just in the middle of nowhere.
Kirk Osamayo.
Alright guys, we're here, we're at our campsite. Just getting everything set up. Quite nice, we got a nice little stream behind us. Guys, check this place out. So dope. Alright guys, here we are. First night before the event. Here we are, just getting prepared, strategizing, figuring out our route, trying to figure out our route. Alright guys, we are here, the day of the charge. You can check out the moon behind. It is, what's the time now? Just before 5:30. Here's our car, we're ready. Nearly at our starting checkpoint. Sunrise. Alright guys, so here we are at our starting checkpoint. Not much right now, they still need to set up. We're just in the middle of nowhere right now. The way this works, okay, we've got 5 in our team. We've got a driver, navigator, and then 3 runners. That's us on the back. We've got a map, I'll show it to you a bit later. It's got 10 checkpoints. We will start at this, we got to hit each checkpoint and try go in like the straightest line. So we're basically trying to go in the shortest distance though. Alright guys, here we go. We're trying to make it to our first checkpoint. This is our road right now. And that's what we gotta try to get through. Alright guys, this is my tree dodging technique. Just gotta stay low. Oh my days, bruv. And we got the runners up front, guiding. Okay, it's fine, it's just a shovel. Should be close to the first checkpoint out of 10. All right, here we found it, the first checkpoint. This is checkpoint Sunsweet.
Kirk Osamayo.
Here we are coming into checkpoint number 2, battling some rocks. The penguin car, we're famous. Just kidding, we're not that famous. So we're here at checkpoint number 2. We just had some rum and raspberries, sweet. All right guys, we're on the way to checkpoint number 3. Yeah, Omnia, we've been using the roads a bit just to get to Omnia. Seemed to be the best strategy. I've taken it a bit easy right now, trying to save some time, and we'll catch up when we get to Omnia. Oh my goodness, look at these trees. All right, here we come. Checkpoint number 3, Omnia. We got our friend Quan.
That Quan.
Yeah, boy. We are high as a kite. High like Wiz Khalifa and Snoop Dogg put together. We just left checkpoint number 3, and now we're going to checkpoint 4, which we're gonna hit the gauntlet. There's 3 checkpoints kind of close together. Between those trees and then cut right left. Got a bit of an issue with our shock, well, just the shock mount. So there's our problem. You can see some of the cracks there.
Too much leverage on the chassis.
Now, no more shock. 1 shock less. Lightweight, except we're going to be carrying it, so not lightweight. We're on the move. We're on the way to the gauntlet still. Hopefully we'll manage without with 1 less shock. Ow! Fucking hell!
No, you just want to distract on today, but he knows what he's doing.
None of us know what we're doing. We just try.
We try until it back.
Uh-oh. Alright, so these guys got a punch here, kind of blocking us a bit. Gonna try find a new way around. Might even be a bit easier.
Kirk Osamayo.
Okay, on one side of the stream, you got this going on. On our side, we're trying to get this tree out of the way. Hammer! Oh yeah! Yeah, boy! Beast! Perfect. You're gonna have to hook right now. Learn to drive over here. Alright guys, we're at National Milling Checkpoint. This is checkpoint number 6 for us. So we pretty much got 3 more checkpoints to hit and then we go straight back to our first checkpoint. But yeah, we're making good time. To the next checkpoint, country choice. So I'll be back here. I am pretty knackered already. It's starting to get quite hot. Clench your buttholes, fellas.
Is this a checkpoint?
Solid plan.
Decide what route to take.
The other option is to go from here straight out.
Oh my days, bruv, look at this. That's a big drop. Oh boy. Oh. Nice one! Oh boy, we on the edge. We gotta dodge. Go, go, go! Second to last checkpoint. All we gotta do is make it to our first checkpoint. And that is gonna be it for our team, Crazy Penguins.
We need to take the whole line back to formula. Back to formula. Back to formula. We need to take the whole line back to formula. Back to formula. Back to formula.
Traffic in the bush. Just keep driving. Just keep driving. Cow crossing.
There we go.
Thanks, cows. Just finished. Woo! All right, guys. This is our starting checkpoint. We're back, which means this is the finish for us. Woo! All right, guys, we're back here at headquarters. Just dumped our head in the water, clean ourselves up a bit. We're gonna head to camp, get a bit more comfortable, and swim again. Been a long day, but it made it. Got a few scars. Doors aren't opening. Shocks, one shock missing. But otherwise not too bad. Not too bad at all. This guy bent. Guys, so this is the map that we were given with, like, we also had GPS coordinates. So we started right here at this point. Then we came on to Sunsweet, over to this place, all the way down to Omnia, and we hit these the Gauntlet, these three right here. Then we came down to Country Choice Chicken, and then up to Cal Tire, to Rocco, and back at our start. Alright guys, Sunday morning, we're just getting ready to pack up. Thank you so much for riding with us. Appreciate you coming through and checking it out. It was awesome. I think we came 6 in distance, about like 36 kilometers to do the entire course. Anyways, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Thought I'd give you a quick shot to show you that Zambia does have tar roads as well.